So I just really want to talk about this because I'm thinking that this is necessary to understand that if you are saying that if a girl is feminist, so it's mean that she just wanted to be super independent of everything. Like she just want to go clubs and have fun and just parties and so many things. Like um so many things. So if you think like this, so then you have very very narrow mind thinking. And nowadays people thinking is just so insane. If uh, if you said that you are a feminist, so they just starting thinking that you will hate men's and you will always say bad about them, even you are always stand up in negative for men's, and you will just hate them and so many things. So I just really wanted to say, if you think like this, that if a girl is a feminist, then she will hate man, या फिर she will wanted to be a super independent girl who just really really wanted to just have fun, enjoy and go club. So being a feminist means that you will always stand up for if anything is wrong, या फिर आपको कुछ भी गलत लगता है आप उसके लिए आवाज़ उठाते हो. You will not let it go, जैसा कि आज सब करते हैं. लाइक इफ समथिंग इज happening wrong, then they will just let it go and they will ignore it and like हमें क्या मतलब इस चीज़ से, होने दो. बट बीइंग अ फेमिनिस्ट, और अगर कुछ भी, अगर उनको नॉट फॉर जस्ट वुमेंस, ऑल्सो फॉर मैंस, अगर उनको कुछ भी गलत लगता है दोनों जेंडर्स के साथ ही, तो दे विल स्टैंड अप फॉर दैम. Even they are always talking about their rights, their basic needs, even equality and so many things. So that was not a like extraordinary word to just be like game card of females to win any argument, any discussion or anything. This is just a basic mindset of any girl, that she is a feminist means that she knows her standard and she know how to maintain it, and even she also know that how to give respect to the pupils and always maintain her limits to get respect. And she will never allow someone to disrespect her. She will never ever allow someone to cross the limit. So she will give them less. So-called man thinks like that, like being a feminist is just a gameplay and just another move of women to just play the things and just to win the argument. Then bro, you just have so narrow minded and your mind is just you are dumped, seriously, if your thinking is like this. But I hope that those who are educated and those who have a better mindset, and if they have a rare mentality to understand like what is going on, या फिर you know what I'm saying. So yeah, those who have the same mindset will understand what I'm trying to saying now. So yeah, that's it.